How to request a car seat Uber tutorial. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Uber. Enter your login credentials and make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you are in the homepage of Uber, click on Where To at the very top. Once the current location has been detected, in the Where To section, you have to select the destination location. Once you have searched for the location and set the destination location, now what you want to do is, if you need to add number of car seats, you need to choose the option like shuttle. So let me click on shuttle. Now you have to choose one option in which you want to choose from where you want to go. For now, let me click on the very first one. Now here the map will appear on where you want to go and how long it will take in order to reach your destination. Now just to select the seat, you have to click on the seat option. Now select the number of seats that you need and then click on confirm. Now once again confirm your shuttle and write your way where you want to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can request a car seat on Uber tutorial. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.